In 1815, a volcanic eruption in Indonesia caused a year without summer. Crops failed and famine spread. But in Switzerland, a group of writers gathered by Lake Geneva. Among them was Mary Shelley, who, inspired by the gloomy weather, penned Frankenstein. How did a distant eruption shape literature? This tale of shadows and creativity shows how adversity can spark innovation. As the world faced darkness, a monster was born, forever changing horror fiction. What other shadows of life influence us today? Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.